In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ranking questions in Google Forms. If you want people to rank items like features, priorities, or preferences, Google Forms doesn't have a dedicated ranking question, but you can create a clear ranking experience with a multiple choice grid. I'll walk you through exactly how to set it up and how to test it so it feels smooth for your respondents. Start by opening your form and adding a new question. Look for the question type selector on the right side of the question. It usually shows multiple choice by default. Click on multiple choice to open the full list of available question types. From that list, select multiple choice grid. This layout arranges your content in rows and columns, which is perfect for ranking because each row can be one item to evaluate and each column can represent a rank. Once the grid appears, focus on the columns section first. This is where you put the ranking of the question. Enter your rank labels in order, such as 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Keep your labels short and consistent so respondents can scan them quickly. If you prefer text labels like highest priority to lowest priority, that works too. Just make sure the order is obvious from left to right. Next, move to the rows section and type the items you want people to rank. Each row is a single option that needs a ranking, such as a feature name, task, or idea. Keep the wording concise and unambiguous. If your rows are long, consider trimming them to a few words so they remain easy to read across the grid. Now make the question behave the way you expect during responses. Turn on Require a response in each row. This ensures every row gets a selection, which is essential for complete rankings and more reliable results. If you're creating a required question overall, also make sure the required toggle at the bottom of the question is on so no one can skip it. Finally, test your setup. Click the preview icon at the top of the form to open a live preview. In preview mode, try ranking the items yourself. Choose exactly one column for each row and confirm that your column labels and row texts are clear. Check that the order of columns matches the ranking logic you intend, with the top rank on the left and lower ranks moving to the right, or whatever convention you prefer. When everything looks good, close preview and continue building the rest of your form. That's it. Your ranking question is ready to use.